How to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with keyboard and mouse. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we'll be explaining. So for that, the step number one you can follow up is you can basically head over and connect your keyboard and mouse to your Xbox via USB cable. Just go ahead and do so. After that, you may just go ahead and turn up your Xbox and you can launch the Rainbow Six Siege game onto your device. After you launch it up, you can head over and navigate towards settings, find it up on your screen, and go to the Xbox system menu. After you head over there, you can navigate the devices and connections, and you can look out for the option called keyboard and mouse for that section. After you do so, you can just go ahead and open up the game settings and look for input options. And once you do so, if not supported natively, you can even use different adapters like XIM, Epix, or Cronus Gene, and that is it. So you may follow up this process and then head over and configure key bindings using the adapter software if needed. And after that, test the movement and aiming in a custom or training match. You can just go ahead and figure it out, and you can restart the game if the keyboard and the mouse are not detected. And that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you would like to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with keyboard and mouse, you may just follow up the process and you should be able to play. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.